Donald Trump suggested Nancy and Paul Pelosi should be investigated for offloading a significant amount of Visa stock prior to a major lawsuit against the company. Paul, 84, sold the shares for roughly $500,000 on Monday, July 1. It is unclear if he made a profit on the sale. While speaking at a Friday, September 27, campaign stop in Michigan, Trump, 78, falsely accused Paul of selling the shares the day before the Justice Department's legal filing. "I'm not much into this stuff, but Visa crashed because the government went after. The government filed a big suit against Visa," he told his supporters. Nancy and her husband sold their stock the day before it was announced. "So why don't we get some AG, Attorney General, somewhere, like in a Republican territory, and why don't we get them to do a little investigation?" he asked. Sold the Visa stock. Are you listening? They're probably turning off the cameras now. However, the DOJ didn't file their civil lawsuit against Visa accusing them of illegally maintaining a monopoly over debit network markets until late September. Attorney General Merrick B. Garland released a statement on the lawsuit earlier this month. "We allege that Visa has unlawfully amassed the power to extract fees that far exceed what it could charge in a competitive market," the statement read. "Merchants and banks pass along those costs to consumers, either by raising prices or reducing quality or service. As a result, Visa's unlawful conduct affects not just the price of one thing, but the price of nearly everything." Trump's call for an investigation into the Pelosi family comes roughly 2 weeks after the former House Speaker, 84, mocked the 78-year-old September 10 debate performance. "You know, one of those big balloons when you stick a pin in it and it swirls around the room until it comes down to nothing? That's what he reminds me of. Just less and less and less and less, like somebody stuck a pin in him, and he's just greatly diminished," she said at the time. "I do think that people saw a big distinction as to who can be the commander-in-chief, who is respected.